having a special need affects a person's ability to read?
Definitely yes. Kasi first, parang yun yung difference nila sa normal person na parang nahihirapan sila yun yung parang kakaiba sa kanila na advantage. Wala silang gano'n na ability. Nahihirapan pa sila bago mag-push.
What kind of assistance can we offer to them to develop their reading skills?
Sa assistance naman, I think, para sa akin, kailangan talaga ng anyone else, hindi lang sa government, yung pagka-determination and parang serious sila sa matter na pag-help. Kasi kahit mag-imply pa sila ng project or anything, so parang may salita na lang.
What can you suggest to the government regarding this matter?
Once they do or impose projects, I think yung parang pinaka-effective way is to apply kaagad yun. Gawin kaagad nila para at least kung may development man, ganda yung effect yung bibigay.
Thank you po.